Alright, solving using the quadratic equation is pretty simple. The only thing that you have to be careful about is that you have to have your quadratic equation in standard form. In other words, you have to have your ax plus ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0 before you can use it. That's the main error people have when they're using the quadratic formula, that they don't have it in standard form and then they try to solve. So the first thing we have here, and when we have this equation x squared plus 7x equals 6, is to have everything on one side of the equation, all of them equal 0. So we subtract 6 from both sides, and what do we have here? It's minus 6. After I have that, all I have to do is identify the values of my coefficients of a, b, and c. So I know that a is 1, b is 7, and c is negative 6. Then all I have to do is plug it into my equation, which I have to memorize. Remember? So it's going to be negative from the equation b, and b is 7. So it's penmanship again, not the best. Then b squared, which is 49, minus 4 times a, which is 1, times c, which is negative 6, all over 2a, and 2a is 2 times 1. And all we have to do is solve this, so it's going to be 1. Negative 7 plus or minus 49 minus 4 times negative 6 is negative 6 still here, over 2a, which is 2 times 1 again, which is just which is just 2. Then we just solve here. You can do this mentally, yeah, for negative 4 times negative 6 is 24. And then you have 24 plus 49, that should give you 73. So we have negative 7 plus or minus square root of 73 all over 2. What are your solutions? Well, remember you have to simplify whenever possible. So you have to see, well, square root of 73, I try to kind of factorize 73 if there's anything I can factorize it with, or if it's a prime number. But 73 is a prime number, so our solutions are just going to be what? Negative 7 over 2 plus square root of 73 over 2. Here it tells you, well, I put this because you can always put it in decimal form, but we're not going to use that in Algebra 2. And we're just going to leave it expressed as radical, so 7 over 2 minus square root of 73 over 2. Those are our two answers.